This is sort of one of the reasons why I think Bitcoin actually did okay here. It was like quite literally that Nvidia news changed the conversation completely. And then on top of that, the politicians came out and said, well, maybe we'll settle this debt ceiling debate crap and let everybody get on with their lives. All of a sudden, the damn stock market goes crazy. Look at that daily bullish key reversals. The NASDAQ, the stock market for the next 100 years, just spat out a key reversal. And this is, I think, kind of like the company, not the actual composite, but the actual company. Let's see what that looks like. NASDAQ. There it is. Anyway, there is the key reversal. That sure looks like a daily key reversal. Remember, I was in the public video, I was barking there about how the US dollar looks uber strong. And I actually think you guys, none of you know this. You are just, you haven't been in the market long enough. I can guarantee you that. We may go into a period here where you see the US dollar outperform here. And it's just simply capital returning back to North America. Returning back to this, David sort of our captain of the stock pickers club that we have at TRI. I don't know whether he would see this, but that kind of looks like an Eve. And is that now maybe an Adam? I don't know. Interesting to see, there is the, that's probably even a weekly W. Let's see, is it? No, it's not really a weekly W. In fact, actually, look, the weekly W was way over here. Interesting to see if that turns into a W there. It's a little bit dangerous location, especially with this big M staring you in the face. Also, geez, look at that gap right there, right? If anything, you know what this is if this idea does work, and I get the impression that the whole market is kind of on pins and needles right now. I did watch a few people. There's one gentleman in particular, I watched a video, and he's basically calling for the end of the world. Sadly, actually, when the public is actually calling for the end of the world, usually it doesn't happen. Because the only time the end of the world happens, stock market crashes, all that. Bitcoin, all of you know this firsthand. The only time Bitcoin price really crashes and everybody gets wiped out is, of course, when everybody's bullish and everybody thinks the price is just going to never go down, just going to keep going up forever. So the fact that some people are actually calling for the stock market to crash in itself is probably a sign that it won't happen. But anyway, I get the impression, geez, where the hell's the top on this thing? Is that right? 25? Where the hell? Oh, there it is, way up there. Oh, yeah. Either your stock market crashes, this M's out, and boom, down we go. Or one low, two lows, three lows, market structure off 25 levels. Uh-oh. The big bull is starting to rear its head. We're at a really interesting juncture here. If you listen to guys like old timers like Larry Williams, he figures if the Fed can get in front of these inflation problem down in the States, the stock market should take off like a rocket. And there is one older gentleman. I have no idea who he is, but an older guy. Did see somebody posting his video, and he was in the lounge, and he was also calling for the stock market to go absolutely crazy, just like literally a face rip up. And, if we did do that, and you actually got this thing to go absolutely insane to the upside, that would get everybody bullish. That would say, all right, we're going to all get rich. And then you could have your market crash. I could see that happening. But as it stands right now, and especially the fact that this thing, you saw those Nvidia earnings. I mean, that's not bullshit, man. That's real. In yesterday's broiler chickens, I was asking everybody what drives stock prices, and nobody can answer this, which kills me. Earnings and interest rates. And Nvidia clearly demonstrated they can earn money, and they can earn a lot of money if they put their mind to it with this, GPUs and AI and all that bullshit, eh? And I have a funny feeling that's going to be like the major growth story for this next cycle, is just all this AI crap. Interesting signal that we're getting out of the screeners on the daily charts, outside upside key reversals. That's a pretty damn powerful signal, folks. And this is sort of one of the reasons why I think Bitcoin actually did okay here. It was like quite literally that Nvidia news changed the conversation completely. And then on top of that, the politicians came out and said, well, maybe we'll settle this debt ceiling debate crap and let everybody get on with their lives. All of a sudden, the damn stock market goes crazy. Be aware that is floating out there. That is very real. Key reversals on the daily charts. The issue with these, of course, is crypto is 24/7. So I don't know whether I can really believe this stuff in crypto. If you do see crypto key reversals, just take it with a grain of salt. If anything, really good analogy. We should never really take a trade off of just one reason to take a trade. It should be multiple reasons. But just out of curiosity, let's see what this thing looks like. Kraken. Release the Kraken. Maybe that's it there. Oh, there it is. Oh, son of a bitch. Wow, look at the fucking selling volume here today. What the hell's going on? All right, so who can tell me, number one, is that a valid key reversal signal? Listen to the words I used there. Is this a valid key reversal signal? Yes, it is. I mean, outside, upside reversal. It's interesting what the hell's going on here today, though. Clearly something happened there, right? What is that? 46,000 coins. Somebody said, I'm selling. I'm getting the hell out. So 46,000 coins. No, that's not right. What the hell number is this? No, that's not right. Hold on. Oh, I guess maybe it is. Oh, yeah, it is. 40, and then that's 9,000 right there. Yeah, that looks about right. Oh, yeah. So 46,000 coins times, interesting how that didn't move OBV at all there. That's a bit surprising. Maybe that'll print after the close. Point here is that the key reversal bar will fire, and this isn't such a bad trade idea if we can move up through that high. So that high there is $5.37. Sitting 504, it's 30 cents, big deal. Maybe let that fire if you're interested. I don't know what the fundamental story is here. We are back down at the bottom end of the range, so it's not a terrible idea from that perspective, right? That's basically right in that. I love calling the 88.6 to 78.6 the venture cap reload zone. So it's definitely in a sexy trade location. Look at that. It's got bullish divergences. And now the icing on the cake is a big fat key reversal signal. Fuck me. If there was a chart, today's chart of the day, I think this is it. So, holy damn. Holy damn. There's your damn for the day. Wow, what a looking chart. And if that thing reverses and actually finishes the day bullishly, oh my God, that thing's going to take off.